Affordable health insurance. Affordable health insurance seems like an impossible thing before or seems like a delusion. But the Affordable Care Act has changed the passage for a lot of Americans. Courtesy of this extensive health reform in 2010, which was signed into law by Barack Obama, the households with incomes ranging from 100% to 400%, according to the FPL federal poverty level, became eligible for subsidies to make the premiums of health insurance in reach. Additionally, the Medicaid program for people with low incomes was increased to include all adults with an income under 138% of the FPL. However, with these reforms and efforts, it is still challenging for some people to find the best or most affordable health insurance for themselves, especially for those who are at the higher end of the subsidy range. Because the way the structure of ACA was built is that the health insurance premiums can vary widely depending on where you live, what your income is, and the size of your family. Good health insurance can help in defraying medical costs yourself. Irrespective of the metrics you fall into, the smart way to find affordable health insurance plans is to shop around among several providers and compare plans based on their offers, your annual out-of-pocket prices, monthly premiums, and other details. To help you find the best and the most affordable options, we have compared some of the top insurance providers in the health sector so you can find affordable health insurance easily. But before you learn about affordable health insurance, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. Number 1. Molina Healthcare. The first one is Molina Healthcare, which is best for wellness care. The Moody's Investor Service also upgraded the credit rating for Molina, also the wellness and preventive care services of exceptional. It provides healthcare services under Medicare and Medicaid and with state insurance marketplaces in 19 different states. It has insured around 5.1 million members recently, as most of its plans are with low copays. Also, Molina Healthcare plans cover necessary medical care like emergency services, vaccinations, prescription drugs, doctor's visits, prenatal, hospital care, lab tests and x-rays, and vision insurance. Moreover, it has some amazing perks like wellness care and preventive healthcare services for its members that includes adult immunizations, child and adolescent immunizations, prenatal and postnatal care, adult preventive services, and pediatric preventive health care. So, with all these services available, Molina Healthcare is an affordable option with 4 policy types. Number 2. Cigna. The second best affordable option on our list is Cigna. It is beneficial for people with different requirements, but it's brilliant financial strength ratings and it does not require out-of-network approvals. Also, it offers amazing telehealth services to its members, which helps Cigna to stand out among other health insurance providers. Being a global health insurance company, it offers private health insurance in 13 states of the U.S., and it also contains an A financial strength rating from the AM Best. Also, the biggest savings are realized by utilizing an in-network provider. Well, the deductibles, copay options, and plan options vary according to the state. Cigna also ensures that high deductible plans are available with HSA plan options. The policyholders will be able to search plan network doctors, check the status of claims, get insurance ID cards online, and estimate costs. In addition, there are also amazing benefits of being a member of Cigna Health Insurance, as it contains exclusive access to a home delivery pharmacy, reward programs, Cigna Telehealth Connection Program, flu shot information, and health information helpline. All these services provide you access to board-certified telehealth providers like MD Live. Number 3. Aetna. The next on our list is Aetna, which is a great option if you're looking for health insurance with employer-based plans. It was ranked second by J.D. Power in Maryland, Virginia, and Ohio in the last year. Aetna has also performed incredibly in the South Atlantic region with having an outstanding financial strength rating and coverage in all the states of the U.S. With an awesome reputation, Aetna is among the largest health insurers in the country, with an AM Best financial strength rating of A. It was acquired by CVS Health in the year 2018, however, it still offers employer health plans to the residents of America in all 50 states. It does not provide private individual insurance, but it offers Medicaid, Medicare, student plans, and employer plans. As a member of Aetna, you can also get access to HSA plans which are available for high-deductible plans. This is a huge provider network, so the members can find an Aetna-approved provider irrespective of the country they reside in. The Aetna network plan options let people see a licensed or an in-network doctor. Moreover, Aetna provides different kinds of plans. It includes HMO, PPO, EPO, POS, stop-loss, HDHP with HAS, and indemnity. Also, there are many wellness programs available for members of Aetna that include gym members, coaching, weight loss, and more. Number 4. Humana. This is one of the most significant health insurance providers with Medicare Advantage plan options and Medigap plans. Humana was originally a nursing home company in 1960, and now it has evolved to become one of the biggest health insurance providers in the United States. It is best for its generous coverage options for Medigap customers and Medicare Advantage. To give you an idea, Medicare Advantage plans from the company are available in several forms containing PPO plans, PPFS plans, SNP plans, and HMO plans. However, the coverage options differ as they contain advantages like the coverage for emergency transportation and hospital stays, preventive cares, medical supplies, and telehealth visits. In addition, you can also get coverage for screening, imaging, lab work, and X-rays. With a lot of options, Humana is popular for its Medicare supplement plans, which are generally known as Humana Medigap plans. Well, these plans are different from the Medicare Advantage plan as they are offered in many of the states, and just like the Medicare Advantage, the Medigap plans will assist you in filling the gaps the traditional Medicare coverage leaves. So, Humana offers a wide range of benefits that makes it one of the best affordable options for health insurance providers. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 5. Oscar. The Oscar is best known for its convenience feature because its mobile app and myriad ways allow you to save both money and time on health through phone or video chat. For providing the best digital health experience, it was founded in 2012. And this tech-based healthcare company also does not have a long history with its competitors. Despite this, they serve over 1 million members in 607 countries and serve across 22 states. It implies that their coverage is still restricted. However, you can find value in their policies if you live in one of the areas under coverage of Oscar. This amazing health insurance provider makes things a lot easier for customers, such as maintaining a digital ID card, finding in-network providers, and booking appointments using the mobile app. It also allows you to take care of tasks like preventative care or prescription renewals over the phone or through video chat. And its virtual urgent care and virtual primary care also enable you to book unlimited virtual visits for free. According to the state you live in, you will be able to purchase an ACA-compliant plan with the help of Oscar that is made very much affordable thanks to the subsidies in the healthcare sector. In addition, you can also check the healthcare.gov website at the time of open enrollment to see the coverage options available in your area. Number 6. KaiserPermanente. KaiserPermanente is one of the best healthcare providers and also best for its extremely great savings plan options that make it super affordable. It was the best performer in California, Maryland, Northwest, and South Atlantic regions according to the 2022 J.D. Power & Associates Commercial Member Health Plan Study. With its exceptional performance, it has a network of over 23,000 physicians. It provides several options in its coverage areas which include access to bronze, silver, and gold plans. The KaiserPermanente bronze and silver plans provide the option to add an HSA. The options are available for high-deductible plans for expenses like X-rays, doctor and hospital visits, primary and specialty care visits, prescriptions, lab tests, and vision and dental care. Also, KaiserPermanente allows you to transfer your HSA balance even though you change your job, as the account comes with a debit card. With Kaiser ACA-compliant plans according to your area, you will be able to apply subsidies you get to make your premiums more affordable. Number 7. United Healthcare. United Healthcare is also a great and affordable option for health insurance. With some incredible financial strength ratings and a network of PPOs nationwide, it offers excellent online healthcare services. It also has an A financial strength rating from the AM Best, and it is a part of the United Health Group. United Healthcare provides individual insurance that meets the requirements of ACA for essential care. An amazing feature for the members of United Healthcare is the access to its online care with the capability to order prescriptions online, speaking with the nurse through a hotline, and participating in online wellness information. Not just that, as a member, you can also find doctors 24/7 and set appointments. Well, it is an excellent choice for people who are looking for an option to manage their health electronically. It includes PPO and HMO plans with access to HSAs and FSAs as well. It also provides member discounts on a wide range of health-related products that contain vision services, hearing aids, and smoking cessation programs. With being available in all the states, United Healthcare has a large-scale network of providers with more than 1.3 million healthcare professionals and physicians. Along with that, it also provides Medicare Advantage PPO and HMO plans. Well, there are many different health insurance plans available that you can choose. And the companies we have mentioned in the video are the most affordable health insurance companies, but remember, it depends on where you live. The premiums can cost more or less according to your location, family size, and eligibility for subsidies. But, irrespective of the situation, you can save your money on health insurance by looking around and comparing some of the best health insurance providers in your area or state. The companies that we have discussed are surely going to be the best for your budget and according to your requirements. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.